Alright, boys and girls, welcome to Go On Guitar. LIL TJAY here. It's featuring the kid LAROI. Okay, so they collaborated on Too Grown. Alright, so this song, Too Grown, it's a 4-chord song here. We'll use a capo here on the 2nd fret, a nice song to play. So, yeah, let's dive into this one. The chords first, we have A, that is open A, 2nd D, 2nd G, 2nd B, and open E. Alright, then the next chord will be E. So that is open E, 2nd A, 2nd D, 1st G, open B, and open E. We have the bar chord here as well. That's an F sharp minor. You place the bar here on the 2nd fret, you bar all strings there, and then you need to add 4th on A and 4th on D. And that's the next final chord, the D. We have open D, 2nd G, 3rd B, and 2nd E. So A, E, F sharp, D, and D there. All right. So that is the chord progression here, and I'm gonna give you 2 different strumming versions here to play. So we're gonna look at the easier one first. They're pretty easy, both of them actually, but this is very easy. So it goes down, down, clap, down. Okay, so if you take the A there, that's the first chord. One round goes. Okay, so down, down, clap, down. Very easy, all right? You're gonna play 1 strumming around per chord. You can play that from the beginning till the very end of the song. So A, E, F sharp minor, D, 1 strumming per chord sounds like this. If you want the chords to ring out and you don't want to kill the sound here with the clap, you can hit the clap on the last E string here in the bass, and that will sound like this. Alright, so that's the first version of it, the down, down, clap, down. The second one, which I believe it fits the song as well, especially from the second half of the song, goes down, up, clap, up, down, up. It's very similar. It follows the same rhythm there. You just add a little bit more ups to this one. It goes like this. All right, so it's first down, up, then comes the clap, and then up, down, up. So down, up, clap, up, down, up. Couple rounds of it. And same here, if you choose this one, you're gonna play 1 string around per chord again, of course the same chord progression, and it sounds like this. And you can mix it up. Alright guys, LIL TJAY, LAROI, Too Grown. This one was for you. And if you enjoyed this tutorial, and yeah, if you really want to learn it, please leave me a like on this one, a comment perhaps, subscribe if you haven't yet, all that good stuff. Love it and love your support, guys. So till next time, play tuned.